coming to the show, supporting the exhibitors and supporting the city.
What I'm excited to see is a bunch of families walking through, living dreams, because one thing that we learned in the pandemic was people love outdoor recreation, which is 2.2% of the GDP, and more than half of that is boating and fishing.
So I want to thank the community for allowing us to put this show on. I want to thank the exhibitors who continue to understand that Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show is the greatest boat show in the world, right?
We've taken every precaution with the social distancing, the entrances, the cleaning stations, the hygiene, the concession areas that are spaced out. So it's a safe, clean environment, just bring a mask.
Welcome to paradise. This certainly is a great event for us that has a huge economic impact. The world's largest boat show, where we showcase the beauty, the great weather, the great people of Broward County.
You could come here and see a variety of boats in one day. I think it's great that we have this, and I think it's really good for the communities, it's good for the businesses, it's good for everyone.
Love boats, love being on the water. It's peaceful to me, I always have. And so to be able to be here and be a judge also for Best in Show is definitely special.
You know, I love asking a lot of technical questions, but also I'm looking at it to what my wife likes and how it lays out and what's it ride like.
But it only comes down to one to win the Best of Show. We want to congratulate Viking Yachts.
Winning the Best of FLIBS show this year is an incredible accomplishment. What our boat builders have been through over these last 6-7 months, and then to come here and then win it is incredible.